What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am finally getting Bluebird, my Phoenix, ready to go out on the water. Boy, it has been a while. I haven't been out on my boat since Lake Champlain, which was like a couple months ago. We were up in Connecticut for a bit, and I wasn't, the place where we've got our summer house up there, if you want to call it that, has a lake that you can't use anything with a trolling motor or an engine. So it was all rowboat, kayaking, stuff like that. And then we went to Alaska. So it's been a while. It's probably one of the longest stints I've had without fishing out of a bass boat. So pretty stoked on that. Lake Chickamauga's got to have a good frog bite going on. It's just that time of year. And so hopefully that is something that I can get on tomorrow. But so anyways, I wanted to do a real quick video on my power system, because we've got it set up to where on this 921 Elite Phoenix, I can not only have 5 batteries, 5 big, group of 31 size batteries, but I can also keep my spare prop. The spare prop bracket that Phoenix, installs is great. It's awesome to have your spare prop there. It's way better than just having it rattling around and taking up space in any other compartment. And I will not go on the water without a spare prop for sure. So, especially fishing tournaments. But we were able, and I say we, my buddy Jason at bassboatelectronics.com, when we were putting everything together and rigging this boat, one of the things that I was hoping we could achieve is to have all 5 batteries and also keep that spare prop holder. And it was something that at first we didn't think we could actually achieve, but we ended up figuring it out. And I wanted to show you guys how we've got it set up so we can keep that spare prop holder, because I think it's really important. So back here, we've got the 5 battery system, which, by the way, is pretty much a necessity nowadays when you've got 5 units drawing power. We've got 2 different AGM batteries. We've got, a house battery and a cranking battery. Those are linked in parallel. So a 12 volt system there. And then you've got the 36 volt system for the trolling motor, comprised of my Battleborn batteries. Love those things. And the reason why we still have AGM batteries in here, I'd love to get rid of the weight back here, but it's just because we needed the AGMs for cranking, and we didn't want to do an AGM and a lithium in parallel. We couldn't do that, so we ended up just doing 2 AGMs. So in the future, I'm sure that Battleborn's going to be coming out with a battery that is optimized for cranking, and then we can get rid of these real heavy, bulky AGMs that are kind of a pain to get in and out, to be honest. But that's the reason why we got the 2 AGMs. So the way we made this work, as you can see, we've got the spare prop in its proper spot, and a 3-blade will fit there as well, so no problems there. We've still got the power pole pumps. We've got the power pole charge over there in the corner, and so we've got everything back here. It's not like we deducted anything. So we've got one AGM over here, and of course we got the other one over there. But the way that we made this work is we took 2 dual battery trays. So we got the aluminum battery tray. I believe it's a Bass Boat Technologies tray, or 2 Bass Boat Technologies trays down there, you can see. And then we just put them real close together, and then use 1 ratchet strap for all 4. And this allowed us enough space. If we did like a triple, as I recall, if we did any other orientation, we couldn't keep the spare prop. So that's how we did it. And one of the cool things about this is, normally the AGMs would be together because they're the same system and rigged in parallel, but we decided to put them on opposite sides because I wanted to keep it kind of balanced back here. I didn't want all that really, all that weight on one side, because the AGMs are like 80 pounds or something like that, something ridiculous. And it works pretty darn good. So if you're looking for a way to fit all 5 batteries and still keep your spare prop holder in the back of your Phoenix, this is the way we did it, and I think it works pretty darn well. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, drop a comment below, and make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'm going to see you out on the water.